Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. Let's know about game of handball. Index. The things that we will discuss about handball are: first, details about handball equipment. Second, details about lines on the handball court. Equipments of handball game. Equipments in handball are essentials to sports and helps to participants in the game in much better way. This is a game that actually represents many different sports. Though there are many different types of handball games, but team handball and American handball are two most common forms of the game. The team handball is played as Olympic event and consists of two teams with the 7 players that try to throw the ball into the goal of opponent. It is somewhat similar to a cross between basketball and soccer. Equipment of handball game. First, handball court. The field of handball is generally 40 meters long and 20 meters wide. It must have dividing line in the middle and the goal at each ends. Second, handball. The ball used in handball is similar to soccer and basketball, but it's not like the latter game. The ball is soft and is also capable of being easily dribbled and passed. The design of the ball is similar but not as hard. Third, goals. The goals of handball are about 2 meters by 3 meters. Fourth, shoes. For handball, any particular form of sports shoes is useful. But there are specialized shoes which are available as well. These shoes are not used for national or interstate meets but are reserved for international tournament. Fifth, gloves. Gloves in a game of handball. Gloves play a circular role to protect the hand while catching a fast-flying handball. The game be played without the help of gloves for sure, but the risks of call use and brushes always remain. Lines on the court. First, court line. Second, side line. Third, center line. Fourth, free throw line. It is 9 meter. Fifth, penalty mark. It is 7 meter. Sixth, goal area. It is 6 meter. 7. Goalkeeper line. It is 4 meter line. Court line. The indoor court has hard surface. All lines are 5 cm thick. The only exception is the goal line, which is 8 cm thick. All lines must be prominent and of the same color. Side lines. The overall size of the court is 40 meters long by 20 meters wide. This is much bigger than standard basketball court. The longer outer boundaries of the court are called sidelines. The shorter boundaries are referred to as goal lines or end lines. Center line. This is line parallel to the goal lines and equal distance from the both. There is a point marked at the center of the halfway line. The game is started from there at the beginning and the restarted from the same point after half time and after any goal is scored. Free throw lines, that means 9 meter line. The free throw lines is dash are outside the D zone. It is furthest point is 9 meters from the outer goal line. After an attacking team is fouled inside the free throw lines, players resume the game from this line. Penalty mark, that means 7 meter line. The penalty mark is 7 meters in front of the goal line and is 1 meter wide. The penalty mark is where a player of the opponent team takes a penalty throw. Goal area or D zone, that means 6 meter line. The goal is surrounded by D shapes are form of 2 quarter circles, each with radius of 6 meters and using the outer end of the goal post as the center. A short straight line joins the open ends of the two quarter circles. The only players allowed in crease is the goalkeeper defending the goal. This line separates him from all the players. Goalkeeper line, that means 4-meter line. The goalkeeper line is drawn 4 meters away from the goal and center along the width of the court. That line marks at the outermost distance to which the goalkeeper is allowed to go from the goal being defended during the penalty throw. This is part 8 video of handball theory. In the next video, we will discuss about some important points. Thank you so much, dear students. Take care, stay home and stay safe.